Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I can't believe it is the 27th of the month already. I can't believe it. It's strange. It is really strange because, like always, time flies when you're having fun. Ever since I've been chilling with you dolls, time is just flying and flying and flying. But that's good. It's all good though. It's fine. I'm not complaining. I'm so happy. So if that's the trade-off, so be it, because I am so happy to be sharing my life with you dolls. And so that's what we do, guys. Around here though, we do have that 27th of the month giveaway every month. So let me get right into it. Now, I did have a bunch of winners for my lipstick giveaway, and so I'm going to announce those tonight too, because I don't know if I told you guys this, but I had been trying to contact you and write you on the comments under the video, but I don't think you guys are seeing it. And a few of you dolls, when I message you on Instagram, you say, no, you didn't get a message that I wrote back to you on YouTube. So, you know, under your comments. So from now on, I'm going to just try a different method to get the information out to my winners, to you dolls when you win. But I'm going to let you guys know tonight who won the lipsticks, and then of course who our monthly giveaway winner is, and what we have in store for next month. So let me hurry up and get right into it, dolls. I keep losing the paper. I have a paper with all your guys' name on it with all the winners, and I have another paper with your guys' name on it, but I can't find it for the CoverGirl giveaway. But I'm going to list that. I'm going to let you guys know that in a few days, because I can't find that paper anywhere where the winners had been generated, and I lost the paper. So I'm sorry guys, I will find it in a few days. But let me let you guys know who won our lipstick giveaway. That was for the Runway Rogue lipsticks, and I picked quite a few winners. I mean, well, I picked 4, so that's really great. So I was able to pick 4 because Patricia Hartman, Supermodel, did send us 4. She sent us a few. So I picked 4 winners. So the winners of the Patricia Hartman Runway Rogue lipsticks are Kelly Kimmel, Tia, Susan Pizzle, and Carol. K-A-R-E-L, Living Frugal. So you dolls are the winners. So congratulations. Please DM me or email me. I'll list my information below, your shipping address, so I can get those out to you as soon as possible. So congratulations, dolls. I love you guys so much, and I'm just so thankful to have you in my life. For all of your support, it means the world to me, so thank you so much. And then our huge monthly makeup winner giveaway for this month is TRCNZ. So that is TRCNZ. Congratulations, that's our winner. So you're the winner. Please send me your shipping information so I can get it out to you. So congratulations, I'm so happy you won. And I'm going to also tag these people on Instagram too, in case they're not catching the video today. I will also tag you guys as best as I can. If you're on Instagram, if you have those extra entries, I'll tag you on Instagram. Not everybody's on Instagram, but if I can, I'll tag you if you're on Instagram as well, because I really want you guys to see that you won. Otherwise, you know, after 72 hours, I'll have to pick another winner. Guys, now let me show you what I've gotten for the coming month giveaway. So I've got a lot of stuff here, just all over the place. So let me try to hurry up and get into this and show you guys. So what I got here, I'm just gonna reach whatever because I have a huge box here that I've been collecting stuff in. So I got you dolls this beautiful bag, and here it is. It's huge. It has lashes on it. What does it say? It says this bag contains magic. So you got your lipstick on it, you got your mascara, lashes, all that good stuff. So I saw this bag and I was like, oh, I gotta get that for you guys. That's what I love too, because I see things and I'm like, I gotta get that for you guys. So another really cute thing that I saw for you dolls is this Juicy Couture. This is a makeup bag, but it's pink. So isn't that perfect? It's like neon pink with the JC for Juicy Couture. So I thought this was so cute, so I did pick this up for you guys for the giveaway. And I also got you guys this selection of Kate Spade pencils. They're so beautiful. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mechanical pencils in here. Oh guys, look what I got you. I got you this is Shayla, Makeup with Shayla, Colourpop collab. This is the PR bundle. So you're getting so much amazing makeup in here from Makeup by Shayla and Colourpop. So I saw this and I was like, oh, I gotta get that. So here it is, guys. You're getting the palette, 2 powder blushes, 2 liquid lipstick kits. You're getting a lipstick and a lip liner, 2 of those. So that is all in here from Makeup by Shayla and Colourpop. So I absolutely love Makeup by Shayla, love Colourpop, so that is the perfect combination, right? So I also got you guys the Huda Neons palette. So that is the hot pink palette. So I did order that for you guys, so it's on the way. So I'm gonna be posting a picture as soon as it gets here, and I'll post the whole entire picture on Instagram. But I still got more stuff to show you. So but that will be also in the giveaway. You'll see it. It's the Huda. I'll try to insert a picture. It's the Huda Neon palette. So I also got you guys this Claw de Lys. This is a trio of skincare. So you're getting the Beauty Elixir spray, their serum, and a moisturizer. So super bougie. I got you guys this spray. This actually someone had gifted to me. This is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. So I'm putting this in the giveaway as well. I got you guys a bunch of other stuff here. So let me keep it moving. This is from Kerastase. This is in the giveaway. This is a color correcting care. So it's just something you can put on your hair. I've loved Kerastase products so much, so that's awesome. I got you this ICO. This is the I Do Liquid Liner Line and Enhance. So that's in the giveaway. Also in the giveaway is this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So that'll make your skin apparently look really nice. I also got in the giveaway this Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. So that's awesome to try. I got you guys one of those mini washing machines for your beauty blender, so that is in here. I don't want to open it because it's sealed, but I'll put a little picture in. But this is it. Oh yeah, it's sealed, but it's one of those mini washing machines, so for your beauty blender. Did you guys see those videos? That was so funny. So I got you guys this MAC lipstick in the shade Old Lady, and this Lancome CL Booster. You put this on before your mascara, and it's like fibers, so it makes your lashes look much larger and thicker and fuller. Oh, I saw this for you guys. Oh, this is a belt bag it's just a really cute belt bag that I saw, and I had to get it for you guys. It's like a little, you know, pink sparkly belt bag, so when you can take it with you on the go. And I also got you guys this little mini hair straightener. It's really small. It's hard to see because it's black, but it's a straightener that you can take, you know, when you travel. Let me see if I could show you. Oh, it's neon. Everything in this giveaway, in this video, is neon. It's a little straightener. So when you're traveling, you know, you can take this with you and straighten your hair on the go. So I thought that was so awesome for our giveaway. So I also got you guys this Wonder Beauty mascara, this Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Wear Lipstick. So this is also in the giveaway. This Forever foundation, so amazing. And I showed you this already, guys, right? The Wonder Beauty mascara. And this is from Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, so that's also in the giveaway. So guys, that's everything in the giveaway. Let me know if you'd like to take part. You just have to be a subscriber to my channel. All my giveaways are for my subscribers. So we have monthly giveaways every month here on my channel. So just be subscribed and you'll be entered into this giveaway and all my future giveaways. I have tons of pop-up giveaways, so you'll be entered into those as well. To take part in this giveaway, you just have to comment below and let me know the best way to reach you. And it's pretty much just, guys, just be a subscriber and just let me know, comment below the best way to reach you if you are picked as the winner. I will be posting the picture on Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram and repost the picture that I post on Instagram for extra entries. And you can also tag a friend on Instagram. That will get you even more extra entries. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for everybody for taking part. Thank you so much for all your support and for being in my life. I'm just so grateful and so happy. So I can't wait to see more and more winners. So definitely be on the lookout. I'm having lots more giveaways, and like I always say, don't worry if you haven't won yet, because we're gonna have lots of winners. So wait till you see. I have lots of things in store. I can't wait to tell you guys about and show you very soon. I'm literally in shock, but soon I'll be sharing it more and posting it and showing you guys. So it's gonna be, I think it's pretty exciting, pretty amazing. So I can't wait. Thank you guys again so much for coming to hang out with me today. Congratulations to all of our winners. Please comment me and write to me. I'll give you my contact information below, and just let me know your best way for you to receive it, your address basically. And we also are picking the winner the 27th of the month. So July 27th, stop back and you will see who the winner is and all kinds of good stuff in our next giveaway. So I love you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.